आज के इस वीडियो में इट्स गोइंग टू बी द पार्ट 2 ऑफ द ड्राइविंग लेसन्स by whom? What is your name?
I'm Aurelia.
So what are you going to teach us today?
I'm going to teach you how to drive very fast in this game, and I already know my license, and I always take the same skin, but today I'm going to change the skin.
So basically she's going to teach us how to drive and she's going to take a new car with a different skin. मतलब वो कलर कार का जो कलर है बेसिकली अलग होने वाला है. So you're not going to show us how to drive safely?
I'll show you how to drive very safely, and you can also reach houses from what was very far.
Okay, तो हम लोग घर में भी पहुंचने वाले हैं and we are going to reach some देखते हैं कौन सा सीजन रहता है. Which season is your favorite season in the game? Snow.
Yep, I always love snow because it has like white things, and it's like it is a part of a name like Snow White. It's a
Oh,
princess that has. She's so cute, but she got poisoned, and her that evil queen poisoned her with that poisonous apple.
okay, I see. Oh, long story. Actually, maybe बहुत लंबा है वो story. So just chuck that story for now. We'll just learn how to drive. So Aurelia is going to teach us how to drive.
Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to drive very safely, and you can reach to any houses to stay in, and you can find cute animals and flowers.
Okay, fine. So very good, Aurelia. Very nice. So now we are going to start the game. I'll just skip the video for now. We'll start the game, and Aurelia is also warming up here. She is going to start the game and start driving. Let's start it. Again, we are connecting this because the steering wheel is not connected yet, so I'm just connecting it here.
Yeah, and I'm going to go really far, and I'm going to change the skin to my most favorite color, and it
Okay.
is very nice color. I love that color so much.
Okay.
Okay, and now you are going to see which
So now
car.
which car you want from here? Tell me now which car you want.
I want like
Snow White car. Yeah. Lot of cars are there. Which car you want? Tell first. There's less
I
time.
want like
What do you think?
a car that has nice nice things on it, and I want like it is
Monster truck.
Yeah, it will be a monster truck. I want a monster truck. And also I love that
Don't
one.
touch this.
This one I love.
Which one?
That yellow one.
Which yellow?
Yeah.
Sure.
Here one I love.
Audi.
Yeah.
This one you want? I'll buy that car.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm buying this car now.
Now this car I love.
Now you have to select which color you want.
Okay,
which
now
color?
I want this color.
Which?
This color. What is in the first? No. This is my very most favorite color.
Purple one.
Yeah. Purple is my most favorite color.
Hello, we have got this. It is for 83,000 rupees. For 83,000. Anyways. Hello, we
See how nice it looks with the purple skin.
Wow, very nice it looks.
Yeah.
Hello, now we are going to get the car. Aurelia is excited with the new car. See, a new car come. Arey wow. Arey wow. Hello, let's drive it.
Yeah, let's try it.
Hello, now I will just set up the computer. I will just drive.
It's not nice.
As of now it is night time, so we will have to wait for 5 minutes now for it to become day. Okay, we will have to wait now 5 minutes. We have to wait for it to become day. Here it is night time. So
Yeah, night time.
एक्चुअली अभी नाइट टाइम है फिलहाल.
And
So
I
we are
can't see also anything. I can't even see where is my
तो अभी थोड़ा रुकना पड़ेगा ऐसे लाइक हम लोग 5 मिनट के बाद रिकॉर्डिंग रिज्यूम करेंगे. Now we'll just set up the camera angle वगैरह camera angle है so we'll just get ready. Hey bros, चलो. So guys actually
Yeah, now it's morning time and I practiced a little.
the night time you practice right?
Yeah, and I practiced a little
So actually
because
yes.
that place was so boring.
तो दोस्तों अभी हम लोग जस्ट बहुत वेट करके अभी दिन हो गया फाइनली. यू कैन सी इन द गेम एंड द स्क्रीन इज गेटिंग रिकॉर्डेड देयर. यू कैन सी जस्ट टेल हाई इन दिस कैमरा फर्स्ट. सी you say hi again. Your hand was in between. Show your face in that camera. Look in that camera. So basically there's a camera set up here and now we are driving again. So say what you are doing in the night time, what you did here in the
I
night.
just did a little bit practice and that place was a little boring. So I waited and waited, then it became day. Then we started the recording and all.
Oh, now it has become day and we have started the recording now. Aurelia is going to show you how she is going to drive. It's getting recorded from the top angle as well. We are showing you simultaneously. So I hope everything is all right. Hello, now you start driving. Don't
Okay, so now
interrupt the video.
I always try slowly because fast mode always makes me crash. And I'm now a little fast, and I can drive fast also because it's so fast and nice, and I love the skin so much. Now I crashed a little bit because I was trying.
Fast. When you go fast, no, you will crash.
Yeah.
So try to go slowly.
Yeah, so slowly. So always go slowly or you will crash. And never crash in the real roads or your car will break little.
इन द रियल रोड में ये सब ट्राई नहीं करना. अगर आपको चाहिए तो मैं लिंक करता हूँ ये सब. स्टेयरिंग व्हील वगैरह है. लिंक इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू कैन बाय एंड यू कैन सेट इट अप एट योर होम. ठीक है. सो anyways, so yeah, keep driving. Don't look in the camera. Oh, see, accident happened.
So never do this at real homes. Never crash at real homes or never break a single.
Signal.
Yeah, never crash to other cars or some people will shout on you. And never crash
Some
into
people will shout.
rivers. Or
Okay,
you
drive,
will never
drive.
survive then.
Keep driving. Keep driving. Aram.
You will never survive then if you will crash into rivers. But if you want to do these things at home, you just buy these things. What?
Steering wheel.
Yeah, these steering wheels and all, you just put it into your computer, then you can play. And always drive safely in real roads. Never do these. I'm just playing a game and never do these at real roads. Or police will catch you if you will break any single animal. So whenever I see the roads single road slow, then I never break it. I always go slow. But if you will see, then you have to go slow. Never break it. Or any police will catch you and put you to jail. And now I'm not crushing also to anyone because I practice how to go fast and always practice at home if you want to practice. Then if you want to do this,
Yes, then buy the steering wheel.
yeah, then buy
So
the
now
steering
you
wheel.
show me how you go fast and then show me how you
Slow.
then know how you press the brake. We want to see.
Yeah, so I always press this, then the brake comes.
Okay, you are pressing the middle pedal, so that is the brake.
Yeah, the
Okay.
middle pedal is the brake.
Everyone's car it is different. Okay, so mostly it is middle pedal only. Most probably every car, some car has only two pedal. No,
Yeah.
that's why I am saying.
And never do these stunts what I always crash into. Never do these in real roads.
ओके नाउ फाइन नाउ अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे हम लोग है ना एक घर ढूंढेंगे गेम के अंदर सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द हाउस एंड शो इन द गेम
Yeah.
ओके
A house.
यस नाउ यू हैव टू सर्च फॉर अ हाउस देयर इज नो हाउस इन द साइड सो now you will show us how to search a house.
Okay, if you want to search some house to stay in, then you can just do that. Yeah, I want
Now
to go
drive,
this-
drive, drive.
I want to go this way. 1 minute.
Actually, now we just took a small break and actually now we are going to search some houses in the game. So Aurelia is going to search some houses for you.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
I'm
I
going
promised
to
in the
search
start.
some really nice house because
Put a gear in high.
always-
Go a little faster in second gear.
in second gear. Now I'm in second gear, and
See, there is a very nice house in front. No, I know. I seen some house over there.
yeah,
You can now drive and go.
even I seen some house. Never try what I'm doing because you get
In the railroad, she means.
yeah. In the-
Go drive and now we'll search for a new house. We'll search for a new house in the thing, no?
It is very new. You will not even know.
Very new.
Hmm.
Go. Now we are going to drive for some time.
Yeah.
How's the mountain in the background?
I love the mountains because it's very huge and very pretty also. I love the color green in it because green is grass, and in our that garden we are growing grass on it and never crash in real life.
Okay, fine. Now we are waiting. Now we'll see. Now go straight. I'll show you the house.
Yeah, the house is very nice and I love
Oh.
the house so much.
Go. I will show you where the house is. Go straight. See, so well you're driving, no? Very nice you're driving.
Yeah.
See, now so nice you're driving. Like you've become very expert. Arre, wow. Go. Don't stop.
Yeah, because I was going to crash and
Go. See, some person is coming from front. Oh no.
yes.
Yes, very nice. See, you did not dash.
That car is on.
Oh. Anyways, now you go in the first gear, second gear, no? And now go in the second gear. It became fast. Good.
And I always love to play this game. Whenever I play this, I always play
Oh
them
no.
to make a video because I love making videos whenever I play this.
Okay, enough. Now go in the first gear. Go first gear.
I can see some houses.
Go. Little far away it is. Go. We will get it.
Yeah.
If you want the house, no, actually it is in U-turn. You have to take a U-turn. Can you take U-turn? Can you take a U-turn? Turn the steering. Turn it full. Turn. Go. Turn. Full. Come on. Turn it. Go. Right. Correct. Go. More turn. No. More turn. Left turn.
Go back.
Go back. Enough. Wow, you know very well. Now go in the first gear. First gear go.
Little far so I can U-turn.
First gear go. First gear.
And now first gear and I already know how to U-turn.
Very nice. You know how to U-turn. Yes.
Yeah, my
Now-
father always U-turns in the real car.
Nice.
And I don't even know how to drive a car because I'm a children and I don't have any license.
But now in the game you know at least, no?
Yeah. In the
Now
game
go in
I-
the second gear. Good, you are driving very well. Now go in the third gear also.
I'm going fast so I can't miss anything.
Go straight. Straight go. Go straight. I'll show you the road to go to the house. Go straight.
Yeah, I already noticed because I met one house that time when I was practicing.
You are at one house, no? Yeah. So I'll show you the way to go.
Yeah. So if you want to go to some house, you can
Go
see
fast.
some arrows leaving by it. And I already met one house. It's very nice.
Go straight, go.
Yeah, but I
Go in the
already-
second gear now, second gear. Oh no.
Why the cars coming in both of the roads?
You have to go on the left hand side of the road. Go. I'll show you where the house is. Go fast.
Yeah, the house is little close because I already met it and it was just.
Go straight, you have to go straight.
Yeah, I always think.
It will come on the right side.
Stop!
Go in the
Go.
first gear now. Go good. Keep going.
And I love houses because in some houses animals are there and those animals are
Go in the
so.
second gear now.
I can already see one house.
Very nice. Go now. The house is coming close. Go fast.
Yeah, it's very close.
Go. Keep going. Straight. Don't get scared.
But in both of the roads, only cars and cars. It is coming.
Yes, the house is very nearby now. Go straight. Go straight. Keep
Going
going.
straight as usual. Going to break in the house.
Go in the second gear.
Yes.
Go. Go straight. Little more.
It was new.
On the left, I have one house.
Yeah, I knew.
On the left, one house is there. Go straight also one house.
Oh, one house is straight.
Yeah, go first. Don't stop.
As now I'm
Go in the second gear. Go fast.
second gear.
Yes, go. Go in the third gear also. Go. Empty road it is. Go fast. Press the X now.
I press.
No, don't press. Now go straight. See one house is going to come. Go.
Yeah, I can already see that. It's very close and I'm doing this for you guys only. I'm driving to this house for you guys.
Nice. Now see the houses come. Yes. Yay! The houses come finally. Yeah.
The house is come.
Chalo, we'll go inside the house now or
Yeah.
go in the
Let's-
first gear.
First.
Go inside. Now where we'll go from the entrance, not from here.
Oh, I don't know where is the entrance.
Our front it is little. Go in the right here. There's the entrance, no? Go from the entrance nicely. Go.
Going slow because the
Go. The entrance is there, no? Nice it is. Yeah, now see, you have to see, you can see the entrance. Go slow, yeah. Slow.
Eee!
Good. Go. You can do it. Left turn. That side left.
This?
No, other side left turn. Go straight. Correct. You're doing correct only before. Nice. Wow. So nicely you're going. Wow. Now you know now how to press a brake. Just press the brake when you reach. Press the brake.
Now you can see these beautiful flowers. I just love these flowers because it's so nice. I love it so much.
Okay, fine. Then we'll end this video here. So say bye to everyone. Say bye in that camera.
Bye.
look in that camera. Come in front. It is in front.
Bye.
Okay, say you also.
And subscribe
Yeah, bye. Bye also.
and like.
Say bye in this camera also.
Bye and subscribe and like.
Okay, bye guys. Take care. Thank you for watching.